Puffy tacos at Ray's. Ray's is the original home of the Puffy taco. And we're gonna try it. Good salsa. This is the beef Puffy taco. This may be my new favorite way to have tacos. Is the fish Puffy taco. Let's go.
Bean Puffy taco. It's being delicious. Avocado Puffy taco. Avocado delicious.
Is it good, honey?
Really.
It's pickle-tastic.
Fried pickle. Pickle-licious.
Seriously, these pickles are actually pretty damn good. So Ray's was a 8 out of 10 for me. You just had to season the top a little bit for the vegetables. It made it a little bland. Ground beef taco, really good. Out of my two, out of the fish and the beef. What about you?
I would say the same. 8 out of 10. I had the avocado and the bean. Avocado could use some seasoning. I know I said I ordered avocado, but a little bit salt. Something.
First time with Puffy tacos, genuinely
really
good stuff. Okay, bye.
Bye.